Hello guys, it is another beautiful Monday morning, and of course it is the time for us to analyze the trading market for the week. We're going to check out the markets that are really trending and what we should look out for throughout the week. Okay, we usually do this once in a week, and of course it's usually at the beginning of the week like this, so that we get to know what to go for whenever we are trading. Okay, and this has always been giving us beautiful results on weekly basis. Okay, so we will be having another edition of it again today. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have right here. Before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared in my videos, do your own personal practice. Okay, you should practice and perfect your trading skill very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. Okay guys, for those of you that usually join me on the Telegram channel, there will be some trading activities also today. I'm sorry we were unable to have one yesterday. It was because I was away, but today we will. Okay, so in the next 1 hour you can join me on the Telegram channel and we get to see what the market is giving us today. Okay, now let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on the higher time frame, okay, because we need to capture the chart for a whole week. Okay, so this is very important, so you should be able to balance between the higher time frame and the lower time frame whenever you are trading. Okay, so this is very important. So now let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with Boom 1000. This is Boom 1000, and of course for a while now, for so many weeks, it has been on uptrend starting from this support zone. You can see the yellow flag. If you miss out the opportunity to come in around here, you can see here is another opportunity and here is another opportunity, but it has really gone far already. So for some weeks now, it has been playing between this channel, the resistance zone, and the support zone. We are expecting it to break out below this support zone, but it has not been able to break out from there. So immediately it gets to the support zone, it will go back up to the upper part of the channel, which is the resistance zone, which is going to be, which is somewhere around here. Okay, it has been moving within these two regions right from for some weeks now. So right now it has got into the upper part of the channel, and we expect it to sell more till it gets to the lower part of the channel. That is if it does not break out above the resistance zone. Okay, so if it sells till it gets to the lower part of the channel, then definitely, if it does not break out below it, then definitely it will go back to the upper part again. Okay, so you can see it has been moving like that, zigzag for some weeks now. Okay, so we expect this to be more of downtrend in this week than an uptrend. Okay, the next asset is going to be Boom 500. Okay, this is Boom 500, and just the way we are seeing this had been on uptrend also right from here till it got to this region, sold for a while, went back up again to try out the resistance zone. So this is still more of an uptrend than a downtrend, except except if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone. That is when it will start selling again. Okay, but for now it is still buying. Okay, so let's move on to Crash 1000. This is Crash 1000. It had been on downtrend for long. Last week I said once it breaks out above this resistance zone, this trend line, then definitely it's going to buy more. You can see it didn't break out above it, so it's continued with this sell signal, and of course it is still more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, so the next asset is going to be Crash 500. Let's check it out right away. This is Crash 500, and right from the support zone, this had been on uptrend. You can see the yellow flag, a single signal from here, and of course it has been buying since then. So this is still more of a buying opportunity, which is going to be more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, the last asset is going to be V75. This is V75. It had been on downtrend right from here, even though it has been playing within this channel for a very long time, because it's trying to break out below the support zone, but it had not been able to break out below it, and of course it has also not been able to go above this. So this is still more of a downtrend than an uptrend, not until it is able to break out above the resistance zone, the upper part of the channel. Okay, that way it will start buying from there. So these are all that we are able to come up with today or for the week. Okay, and of course all you just need to do is just to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. And for those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of it, so that you can know how to go about it. Okay, so and you also need to practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.